our ears work. Do you like music? Have you ever wondered how your ears work? Sounds are everywhere, and our ears pick them up. Your ear has got 3 parts to it: the outer ear, the middle ear, and the inner ear. The outer ear is the part you can see. It collects all the sounds and sends them to the middle ear through the ear canal. The middle ear is where the eardrum is. When the sound reaches the eardrum, it causes vibrations. These vibrations make some very small bones in your middle ear move and help the sound continue its journey to the inner ear. The inner ear has got tiny hairs. When sound hits them, they move around like waves. These hairs give the signal to your brain so you can hear everything around you. So now you know how your ear works.